All right, so it's quiet now. Give you an idea what they've done. He filled a whole truck with what is missing at this point. As you can see, he's done up to that point. And the truck is full. I don't think I can pinch and zoom. Let's see. Negative. I think because I'm in wide angle lens. I got a new phone, so I'm essentially losing a lot of video too. But let's get down onto the ground so we can get an idea what this is looking like. So, I mean, here's my hand. How deep that is. Up to the steps. So apparently they're going to fill this in a little bit because I'm only getting 6 inches of crushed stone. We're looking at least 12 inches depth there anyways. Just my analytical mind thinking. So I think the truck driver is going to be taking away that load, and there's another truck on the way. Obviously he can't continue the process until he's got somewhere to put this material, right? So here we are. Give you an idea how deep that is. Somewhat of an idea. Oh, I wonder if the other truck came in. Quite possibly. Okay, here we are. I did ask him to go lower than the seal. If you watch the first part of Sophisticated Custom Designs. So here's the current level, and then we're going down that much. Pretty cool stuff, so we'll pause here.